Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons and welcome back to Capo Week. That's right, another song using a capo. It's another great song, so make sure to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any of our other capo songs. Also, be on the lookout for that YouTube short video. So stick around, we're going to learn some awesome songs, awesome tracks right now. And here we go again, guys. This is another capoed song. This time the capo is on fret 7, so that's quite high up the neck. So make sure your capo is firmly down. On fret 7, the song is Despacito from Fonsi, Daddy Yanki, featuring Justin Bieber. So let's run through the chords you're going to need to know for this song. It's also only 4 chords. It's a cool song. It's a bit different, the rhythm wise and strumming wise, but it's great to learn. So the chords you're going to need to know is E minor, the chord C, the chord G, and the chord D. That is for Despacito. So the chord, the names do change if you put your capo up higher, lower as the keys change, but I'm just going to go and refer to as E minor, as C, G, and D. So that is the 4 chords you're going to need to know to play Despacito. We're going to zoom in and learn the song right now. Despacito. The capo is on fret number 7. The chords you're going to need to know is the chords E minor, the chord C, the chord G, and the chord D. Only 4 chords throughout the song. The verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, it stays the same, just the rhythm starts picking up. It gets louder and louder and louder. So let's just go through again. E minor, C, G, and D. Now this is one of those songs that the G, I prefer to play it like this. It just makes more sense within the song than this. You want this open B. So let's go through the rhythm. So you can call this percussion with the mute on the down strum. But you guys do not have to do the tap. You guys can just do the mute. But with this style of music, a lot of the Latin type songs, you want to accent your upstrokes. You want to get these high notes as well, so you can go. So the verse is really softly, so you can go C to G to D to A minor to C to G to D. So really soft. The pre-chorus, you guys can get up a bit. Also to G and D and E minor, C and G and D. So that is the pre-chorus. The verse, pre-chorus, just do the verse a bit softer. If you guys do not know how to do the rhythms and create space within a song, just hit the link on top. There's some awesome tips for you guys how to sound better instantly. So what you can do with the chorus, you can just play it open, but accent, really go louder on these high notes, on your upstrokes. So let's do it once normal. sounds a bit boring just playing like this. So what you want to do is go down. You guys hear and get what I'm saying. So let's go through the verse, the chorus, let's go through the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the bridge. So the bridge, you can go with the moods a lot harder than the spots, you know? It really just puts in so much feel into the song. So let's go the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and the bridge, and I'll see what I mean. So let's start with the E minor in the verse, and we're going to start off softly. So in 3, 2, 1, and E minor, and C, and G, and D, and E minor. Try to get this rhythm. C, and G, and D. And now for the pre-chorus, just strum a bit harder with E minor, that is the pre-chorus. So let's hit the chorus with no muting, just some accents with the upstrokes. Starting with E minor, so go 3, 2, 1, and... That was the chorus. Now for the bridge. Try to do the percussion with me. With a downstroke, just hit your guitar as well. I don't know if you guys can see. So let's play like this once. So let's just keep on playing E minor. So in 3, 2, 1, and... And now just add some chord changes to it. So you're going to go E minor, C, G, D. C, G, D. And that is the bridge. And that, guys, that is Despacito from Fonsi featuring Daddy Yankee and Justin Bieber. It's a really fun song to play. I love the rhythm, I love the Latin feel to it. It's such a cool song to play. I think it's one of the best songs on guitar to play. Not the hardest one of the funnest songs to play on guitar. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson with a Capo song. Stay tuned for some awesome songs coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'll see you guys then. And just like that, another song done within Capo Week. Actually 2 weeks. I just love playing with capos. I think it's an awesome tool to have. I think there's some great songs to be played and to be written with a capo on your guitar. So as always, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell to not miss any other lessons coming up. There's some exciting stuff happening, so you do not want to miss out on them. Also join us on Facebook and on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys a bit later.